go and visit the Malcolm Group on their stand throughout the day. And I know Andrew and all the guys will be pleased to see you. We've got a chock-a-block a day today, Todd, haven't we?
Yes.
A lot going on.
Oh, there's so much going on yesterday. These people are in for such a huge treat.
We've got the voice of the press very, very shortly. We've got Alistair coming up, and he'll be doing the manufacturer parade. So as they lead the way round, give them a wave.
As they come around, folks, make sure you give Malcolm and his crew a huge wave. Say hi as they go by. Such a huge achievement.
That is awesome, that truck. I don't think I'd fit in that, Todd, would I? I think I'd be struggling with that.
I think me and you would look like quite the pair in there.
Oh, incredible.
That's beautiful.
To think what the guys used to think what, you know, his grandfather and
yes.
dad used
If that truck could talk, can you imagine the stories that it could tell you?
Crash gearbox, you know. Fantastic.